Hello, I am Dr. Parveen Malek, and today I am trying to make you understand the types of variable. There are five types of variable in terms of research methodology: independent variable, dependent variable, moderator variable, control variable, and intervening variable. Today we are going to discuss about the independent variable. Now, what is independent variable? The variable whose value affects the value of another variable is called the independent variable. Such a variable affects the value of another variable. Generally, the effect of such a variable on another variable is measured or studied during a research study. The independent variable is also called the absolute variable. Let's try to understand this concept with the help of an example. In a comparative study of the moral value of graduate students of different faculties. Now, here, faculty will be considered as the independent variable. Why? Because in this study, the researcher will examine the effect of faculty on the moral value of the students. There can be different levels of faculty like arts, commerce, science. Here, researchers assume that students' moral value may differ from faculty to faculty. Each level of the independent variable is called a stratum. That means arts individually, commerce individually, and science individually called stratum. And all the levels together are known as strata. The number of levels and independent variable has to be divided into depends on how large the area under study is to be covered. If the researcher wanted to compare the moral value of engineering and medical students in the given example, then the five levels of faculty would be the independent variable in this example. Some independent variables, such as gender, have a fixed number of levels. For example, in the study of emotional maturity of students in terms of gender, only two levels of gender would be considered, male and female. But nowadays, the third level of gender, that is transgender, is also universally accepted. In such cases, there will be three levels of gender, for example, male, female, and transgender. Generally, the study of the effect of independent variable on dependent variable is done through research, or study of dependent variables in relation to independent variable. This is all about independent variable. Thank you very much for watching my video.